So I'm trying to wrap up this wire harness right here. I had to do a repair on this wire going to the idle air control valve, and you can't get a full roll of electrical tape in here. And here's a trick that I've done many times to get around areas like this. As you can see, I've actually fixed up all of this wire harness just like that. So what you do is get yourself a 1/4-inch extension and a 1/4-inch socket, usually an 8 millimeters, best one you can use. And then you take your electrical tape like this and wrap it around just like that. And try to do it loosely so you're not stretching the tape. And then pop it off the extension. Now you have basically a miniature roll of electrical tape. So you'll see this is a super tight area. I can barely even get my fingers in there. So you can see how tight that is. So now I can go through here just like this and get the wire harness wrapped up nice and neatly and make it look semi-factory again. You can see how much easier that is compared to trying to rip off pieces and wrap them around, and or trying to squeeze your electrical tape through there and stuff. It just doesn't look as pretty. But you can see how much easier this makes it. Just like that. And then I have this wire tagged, and that'll probably be wrapped up or something along there as well. But figured I'd share that cool little trick.